The MESCOMB professional hairdryer brush stands out as a true all-in-one tool, combining a powerful dryer with multiple styling attachments so you can dry, smooth, curl, and add volume with a single device. Its twist-to-switch design and rotating nozzle make it very intuitive to go from concentrated drying to brush styling, which noticeably simplifies everyday hair routines. The auto-wrap curling barrels use directional airflow to attract and wrap hair around the barrel, creating soft, bouncy curls and waves without relying on harsh temperatures. A professional brushless motor and dual air inlet system deliver strong, even airflow that dries hair quickly while still feeling gentle on the scalp. Consistent temperature control and a steady stream of negative ions help reduce frizz and protect against heat stress, leaving hair smoother and shinier after styling. The inclusion of multiple brushes, a styling concentrator, and a durable travel case makes this system especially convenient for travelers or anyone who likes to switch styles without juggling several separate tools.